to my old road that we lived on. Now, I'm pretty sure that's what we were, Middlesex Arms, but I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure they had that little play area for the kids. We met your mom up there. And you guys came down, Jerome and Jared, the little guys, and everybody had fun, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But the station is down here under this bridge. So this is wild. We finally made it down to old stomping ground. That's the train station right back there that we saw always get in and out of, but this is coming down our street, Great Central Avenue. Yeah, things are kind of built up a little bit down here, but it's not that much different. We'll see when we get down into our old place. But if I had a damn dollar for every time I walk up and down this street, going to get the train and go to London, man, I'd be rich now. This is crazy though. 42 years ago we lived down this street. It's still kind of crowded. You can see there's people walking all down here and stuff. I never forget there's no child named Harry that Harry used to always pass by and he'd stop and talk. Yeah, this is probably about what, 80 years old back then. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. So we're getting closer to our place down here. 33 Great Central. I lived here 42 years ago. I was right in this place. Me and my wife was only 18 when I met her. Everything's still the same. The parking little Volkswagen down in the garage. Man, it's like going back in time. Nothing's changed. It's the same color and everything. Wow. That's crazy, you guys. There's a further on down the street to 18 Cedar Avenue. That's where my wife is. We'll make a trip down there and I'll show you. Okay, this is Pryor's Garden right here. The next street down is Cedar Avenue. We'll go down there. It's a little bit wider out, spaced out over here, and it's still the same. They haven't built a bunch of apartments and high rises and stuff. It's kind of nice, just the way I remember it. It can almost bring tears to my eye, but you know how that goes. We're gonna go down here at 18 Cedar Avenue, and you're gonna see where I used to hang out. Okay, that's 16 right there. And we're coming on to 18. Wow, look at that. It wasn't like that when we were. They got solar panels all done up. Two doors. It's not the same now.
And it was
time didn't stand still. That's crazy. But that's it. My wife and her sister right there grew up. Right there. I'm at Mr. Grill here in South Rislip. I used to live here a long time ago. They got some good food in here.
What do you want, sir?
Pepsi?
Any.
All right, mate. I'm gonna get a Pepsi out of here. Mr. Grill, you see they got some good prices in here. Good eating, just like back down the States. I'm getting a meal deal number 6 right here. £5.50 please. Wings, chips. I gotta eat now. Bye. So the food has arrived and this is just crazy. We're over the moon. Look at that. We got wings, chips, and a Pepsi for £6.50, which is $7.40. That's crazy. I wish I could tell you guys more about it, but now I gotta eat. I'm hungry.